So if you want to know how I got my butterfly locks installed, then you should watch this video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got my butterfly locks installed. I have always wanted it for a very long time, and finally I got it done. So first of all, I'm going to be parting my hair. After parting my hair, then we get into the real deal. I'll be parting my hair and making individual braids with my natural hair before we get into installing the actual butterfly locks. To all my returning subscribers and to all my viewers, I want to say thank you for stopping by again to watch another video on my channel. Now, if you haven't subscribed, or if this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and you leave your comments in the comment section before you leave. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video on my channel. And also on the screen you will see my Instagram handle there. Make sure to check out my Instagram page, okay? Now I'm done with parting my hair, and honestly it wasn't the best thing, but yeah, we move. So for the start of the show, I'm going to be using the Cenuella collection. This is a pack of 40 locks and I just got one pack. It was enough. I just used 35 strands out of the 40, and I think this is handmade. Also, I'll be using the Darling Natural Twist, which we also call kinky, to wrap the root of the hair, and I'm going to show you how I'll be doing it in this video, so stay glued to the end of this video. Now I have done some at the back, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing the whole thing. So I have this my locks looking like this. It has a loop, and then we're going to pass our crochet hook through this loop and then cross our natural hair into the loop. Then I'm going to be folding my natural hair into two, then pass the hook through the root of the hair and also get the tip of my natural hair over the root, if that makes sense. Okay, now that we've gotten the locks hanging, we're going to get our kinky. Make sure you detangle the ends, then use the hook and also cross the kinky over for wrapping through the root, just like I'm showing you right now. And then you have to make sure that one end is longer than the other. Now we're going to be using the longer end to wrap the hair. Okay, so from the roots we're going to be grabbing tightly to make sure that the hair doesn't unravel or doesn't loosen up while we're still rocking the hairstyle. Then while wrapping, I'm going to try to make or give it that distressed butterfly look using my thumb to take some piece of hair and then continue to wrap. So this is what we're going to be doing till we get to the end of the kinky hair, the hair we're using to wrap the locks. And once we get to the end, we're going to make a knot to secure it. And yeah, this is just the process. This is what I am literally doing to all the individual braids till I am done. So let's do this over again. Pass your hair through the loop of the locks and then secure by passing the tip of your hair through the root of your hair. Get a small portion of your kinky hair and also cross it over through the root of your hair. Making sure that the two sides are unequal. One has to be longer than the other. Now use the longer portion to wrap around the hair in one direction. Remember to give it that distressed look using your thumb to take some piece of hair and then continue to wrap. Then you keep wrapping till you get to the end of the kinky hair. Make a knot and that is it. Now this is the end of the hair of my whole wrapping process. So I'm going to make use of my towel and a very hot water to reduce the pressure on my scalp and also to relieve myself from the pain because this hair is heavy. It's heavy. Yes. Now after that, I'm going to use my hair mousse to apply all over the hair just to add some shine to the hair, and we are good to go. So I see people tie their scarf after applying the mousse. I don't know the reason. I don't want to know, but I decided to do mine. Maybe to let the mousse sink in and then make it shiny, you know, all of that. So I did it, and you guys, this hair is given. Like this hair, I couldn't stop touching it. I couldn't stop moving the hair around. Now this is a hairstyle I'm definitely going to try again and again, and this method is pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section and also subscribe to my channel for more hair content. Bye.